how to connect Instagram to Facebook. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do right here is to open our Facebook right there. And then once we open our Facebook, the next thing that we need to do right here is to go into upper right corner of the screen and then click your profile. Once you click your profile, what we're going to do is to scroll down until you see settings and privacy. So click the drop down button right here, and then in this part, we're going to click on settings. Once you click on settings, we're going to click on see more in accounts center. So click on that, and then in this part, we're going to click on profiles. Once you do that, what we're going to do is to click on add accounts. So click add accounts right there, and then in this part, we will now be able to add our Instagram account into our Facebook account. So what we're going to do is to click on add Instagram account right there, and then all you have to do is to log in into your account, and then after that, once you add your account, this is what it's going to look like. Once you have added your Instagram account, what we're going to do is to click on that, and then we're going to click on this once again, which is on the bottom, and then we're going to click sync profile info. After that, what we're going to do is to click on sync profile info once again, and then after that, that should be it. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to connect Instagram to Facebook.